As a business owner or entrepreneur selling on WhatsApp, I'm sure you must have actually imagined selling out all of your products and your services on the WhatsApp platform. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how I have been able to generate over 357K just from my WhatsApp. And you too can also follow through this particular same method and start selling out your products right there on the WhatsApp application. Now, all you basically want to do is to make sure you actually stick with me right here in this particular video till the very end, because I'm going to be sharing a lot of insights and sharing with you guys all the nitty-gritties that would help you to get started and scale with this particular method, so that you actually have a full hands-on on what to do and how to sell out more products via WhatsApp. Now, when you open up WhatsApp on your phone, you are basically just going to see more of like, the messages that you have right there on your phone. But as a business owner, it is important to note that WhatsApp actually created WhatsApp Business all because of you. And this is exactly why, as a business owner, you have no reason just being on WhatsApp alone. You can actually switch over to WhatsApp Business so that you can be able to access more features that WhatsApp Business has for you. And one of the features I'm going to be discussing here in this video is the creating ad option right from your WhatsApp. The create ad option right in there on your WhatsApp. So because I'm using WhatsApp Business, you can actually see on my screen right here at the topmost, you can see it says reach new customers, bring in new customers from Facebook and Instagram, create an ad on WhatsApp. Okay, so all you actually want to do right now is to go ahead and click on create an ad. And once you create an ad, it's going to bring you over to this advertise page. And here you can see that you are going to be selecting a photo or video on your device, or you want to use the images of the product on your catalog, or even your status updates if you have them on your status. And once you're actually selecting your picture or video from your device, you want to continue to Facebook, right? The Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, they're all connected and owned by one person, so they always have something to do in common. Now, it's going to bring you over to this particular page where it is saying get more messages on WhatsApp. You want to use an image from your phone. Okay, so with that particular image of the ad or for your product that you have on your phone right there, you can see I just have this one here. It's a default image. I can actually use it and proceed and click on done. Now, once I actually click on done, it is going to bring me over to the next page right now, which is currently loading up, and I am going to get access to putting up all of the other details of this particular advert that I want to do via Facebook. Okay, now this is actually very similar to you boosting a post on Facebook, which is most probably an alternative way of running ads on Facebook, as opposed to going to the ad manager dashboard and setting up your ads from that particular space. Now, I actually shared that particular process in another video, and I'm still going to make an update on that particular process. And this is exactly why, if you're here watching this video right now and you're getting value from what I'm doing right here, make sure that you actually go ahead and subscribe to this channel, smash on the bell icon, so that when I actually release more videos like this one that will help you make more sales online and scale your online income, you would actually be the first to be notified. You can also join my business community on WhatsApp. The link is in the description of this particular video. Okay, so yeah, you are here on the screen right now, and once you're here, you can see it has actually picked some details you have on your Facebook page, right, that is linked to the WhatsApp here. And it has also picked the image on here, and you can proceed to add a text. Okay, this product would help you with long life. Okay, and once you've been able to add your text, you basically see that your text is already added at the top preview page for your ad. And once you have this done, you can actually proceed, and you can see the advantage plus creative, which is the you leveraging Facebook data automatically. You want to check this on. Okay, you want to check this on, and you can see right here is asking for the WhatsApp number that we receive the messages, and you have that up there. For the special ad category, you don't need this one right now, so you can actually just leave it off because this is not a special ad category. And you can proceed to where you want to learn more. And on the learn more here, you can actually see, okay, so we're going to skip this one here now. But for our audience targeting, we want to now do some more audience targeting inside of here. Now, this is actually the most important aspect of your ad, because if you get to target your ad to the wrong set of people, you're going to get the wrong set of fellows for your ad. Okay, so you actually want to be concerned about your location, your age, your gender for the ad that you are running. So, for example, I could basically say that for my location, I just want to target specifically Lagos. Okay, so you can see here Lagos State, Nigeria, and I'm going to click on save. But then I don't want too old people, just target from 18 to 45, and that is it, perfectly done. I could even raise it up to like let's say 22, okay, 22 to 45 years. And with this, I can proceed to save my audience. Okay, now once I've been able to save my audience, you are going to see that you can now choose your daily budget, right? Choosing if your daily budget now this is where you're choosing if you want to run this ad for one day, and you're choosing the budget for that particular ad, $1 per day or $2 per day. And it is also telling you the amount of reach. So with $5 per day, you're able to reach about 5,000 persons in that single day, and that is actually one of the ideal options you want to select to run ads $5 per day. Now you also want to go over to the duration, and with the duration here, you want to set the amount of days this ad is going to be running. For 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. I'm just going to set it to 3 days because I have a budget of $15, but it's advising me to increase the duration. Ads that run at least 5 days tend to get better results. Why? Simply because sometimes it takes Facebook about 3 days for it to be able to ascertain the right set of audience for that particular ad based on your targeting. Okay, so you actually want to increase it to 5 days. 5 days is actually the perfect one. So once you are here on the section here, you can see for the ad is asking for placement. Do you want this placement to be on Facebook and Instagram, or you just want it on Facebook, or you just want it on Instagram alone, right? But here it's not able to select at this point, meaning that our placement is just for Facebook alone. And below this is where you can now get the payment method. And for the payment method, you are seeing that you want to actually connect a card here where Facebook will be debiting for your ad spend basically. But there's something here missing, guys. There's something here missing, and what is missing here is on the audience targeting, because I also want to be sure and be specific about the people that I want to target. So once we're actually done at this very point here, you can see your payment summary. You're going to be paying $25 with a tax of $1.88, making a total of $26, which I can actually go ahead and click on promote now, and it starts promoting. And once you start promoting, this is the very first step that will actually get me to getting more customers for my product with my ad. All right, but guys, it's very important that in as much as we are going to be making a whole lot of sales via our WhatsApp ads, you also need to understand that there is one aspect of targeting that we're missing out here. Okay, and that is targeting by interest. That is currently not here, but then you're going to find that out when you are setting up your ad via the ad manager. And this is why that is also very, very important that you understand how it works and how to utilize that for your ad setup here. And if you can even drive people down to your WhatsApp. I'm going to create a video around that and show you how that works as well, so that you actually know how to do this one, and at the same time you know how to run ads from the ad manager and you're good to go. But this basically is one that will work with your smartphone. If you just want to do a quick ad to get a couple of customers coming in to buy up a product, then you can simply go ahead and push for an ad like this one, and you can get a couple of customers to sell your product, and you are good to go. This is a simple way to start making money with WhatsApp, and using WhatsApp ads, you can actually sell out more of your products for yourself right from the comfort of your home using your smartphone anywhere, anytime. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is the very simple process on how to actually run ads with WhatsApp ad. And if you're actually considering switching from WhatsApp to WhatsApp Business as a business owner, then it is actually very simple. But all you need to do is just to go ahead and you can actually back up your messaging on WhatsApp. And once you're done backing up, you can actually install WhatsApp Business and transfer the contact, and then select the backup that you have from your WhatsApp and upload it up to WhatsApp Business, and you have everything all intact, like you never did any changes. All right, so this is it, guys. If you love this video, let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below, and as well proceed to get started with this particular process, just to shoot up a couple of ads via WhatsApp on your phone. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this particular video, and with this I'll be seeing you in my next video. Peace.